Oh, hi.
Fran?
Yeah.
SAG president Fran Drescher?
The one and only.
Whoa.
All right, so hi. Welcome back to our vegan channel. I wanted everybody to know that my 10-year anniversary is coming up.
Ooh.
My Veganuary. It's 10 years on February 1st. The president's calling. It's just a scam.
Scam likely.
Scam probably.
Mm.
All right, so it's 10 years. That means over 10,000 meals, right?
I don't know. It's hard to do the math right now.
Well,
Is it really?
isn't it though? 3 meals a day.
Yeah, I guess about. Yeah.
Over 10,000.
Over, probably.
Over 10,000. These tiny little these large hands have prepared over the years, and I'm still coming up with new vegan recipes.
Woo!
Amazing. Who would have thought being vegan is boring? 'Cause it's not. So, yes, I've made chickpea salad before, but I've never tried silken tofu mayo with it.
Oh, interesting.
I love chickpea salad. Everybody in my family loves chickpea salad.
That is the truth.
I hope they like this healthier version of mayo, because you know what? If you like mayo, great. But for me, mayo ain't it. I'm getting older. It's got too many oils in it that are questionable. They're sus. I want to eat healthier because I want to live a long time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Preach. Vegan preach. Can I get an amen? All right. So here we go with the chickpeas. You've seen it all. We're going to smash them a little bit. Not completely,
much.
because that would be like hummus salad. So we're just going to break it up a little bit. You don't need to see this. Look away. We'll be back. I just beat the piss out of these chickpeas.
Ew! Did anyone used to watch 2-A-Days on MTV?
Loved it.
We don't even like football, but we love shows about football.
I know. All right, Taylor. We're over here now. We're going to put in some pepper. Obviously, the last thing we're going to make is the mayo. But let's build our chickpea salad first.
Okay.
That wasn't nearly enough, but we'll deal with it. I also want to try some of this Tabitha Brown in there, this very good garlic, because I
love it.
love garlic. I love it.
And we love the seasoning. We've tested it a few times now.
We actually went to Sam's Club today, and we bought 2 more jars of this.
I got one. You got one.
I got 2.
I thought you got one of those.
Oh, I got 2 of the green
You
goddess.
got 2 green goddess, yeah.
Different thing.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're also going to put in 2 ribs of celery, much to my husband's dismay.
Oh, no.
Well, you know
that
what?
garlic smells so good.
Not everything is for him.
Right.
Oh, well, I don't want to use this blade. I want to use the shreddy blade. Give me my shreddies. There we go. This is the julienne blade.
Mm.
And we're not going to cut our fingers this time, are we?
You're not.
No, we're using the guard.
Smart.
But after we get it started a little bit. Yes, I'm going to do a whole medium red onion in here.
Dang, lady.
Yeah, it's going to go quick, too. This is like the infomercial, Runcomatic.
Yeah. Do not go that fast if you're not using the guard.
Yeah, for sure. All right, well. That's for later. We're having Mexican tonight. I'll add that to the Mexican.
That'll come in handy then.
Yeah. Get off. All right. Beautiful. Look at that.
Yummy.
It's like I went to the store and bought that from the already cut section.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Leave it there. The maid will get it.
But you're the maid.
I know. That's why I know she's gonna get it. All right. Now we're ready to make the mayo. I hope it's gonna be good because I've never tried this before. This is like one of those magician shows where they show you like, we will not cut away.
We probably will cut away though because I don't want to show you the whole blending process. It's too long and loud.
Yes. So we got Vitamix. We have 1 silken tofu. I've never really bought silken tofu before because I just never buy it.
Mm-hmm.
So they said on eatplantbased.com, this is where I got the recipe. Take the package of silken tofu and put it on a thing, like a paper towel or a dish towel. Well, I don't buy paper towel, so I'm using a dish towel. Put it on a dish towel and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes to have the water come out.
Which we have done.
But if you buy the one that's shelf stable in the packet, you don't have to do that because it's not packed in water. So let's plop. All right, we're also going to be using a healthy sweetener. Is this healthy? It's not the healthiest in the world. I would probably be better to use maple syrup, but I feel like using this.
Okay. You do you, boo.
Yeah. 1 tablespoon. Okay. Some mustard. Oh, I have to get rid of the mustard
The liquid
juice.
part.
Oh, no.
Wow. It said, I don't think so, ma'am.
Yeah, like a tablespoon of that. We're going to do like a tablespoon of lemon. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
If I can get my little spoon out. Oh, just one little more. Yes.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to blend this now.
Let's go.
Don't you come out until you're smooth.
Well, that's not gonna work.
You know what? That's why I got a Vitamix, because I'm going to get the stick.
Plunger.
Yeah. This is why I got the Vitamix. Just for this very occasion.
Mm.
All right, here we go. Now we get ready. That's why you get the stick.
It's not right to me that solid is now liquid.
I know, right? And it's kind of loosey-goosey, but you know what? It thickens up, they say, in the fridge.
Okay.
So, right now it's kind of loose. Throw that over there. But it's going to be thicker. It will be thick. Oh, it's not too bad.
No, it's not.
It's not horrible. So I'm going to put as much as I usually put. But we should probably taste it first, right?
Yeah, go for it.
That's not mayo, but it's not terrible. You want to try it?
I'm gonna taste it in the chickpea salad.
Chicken.
No.
I can deal with it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like mayo.
It does look like mayo. It tastes surprisingly like mayo.
Okay. We see you, silken tofu.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just gotta mix this up.
Mix it up. Put all the things that you would put, like if you like grapes or if you like cranberries or whatever you like in your chickpea salad, put in to make it familiar to you. Or try something new.
Go for it.
Those are very large pieces of celery.
They are. I keep thinking those are lettuce.
My husband will be able to pick them out quite easily then.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. That looks pretty legit.
I think it looks really good.
Do you think we need more?
I think that's good.
Okay.
I don't think you want to overdo it with the mayo.
All right. Well, let's get some chips or something.
Crackers or something.
Yeah. All right. You know what we're doing?
Put it on the Ritz!
Da 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 da.
We're putting the chickpea salad on the Ritz.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Been like years since I had a Ritz cracker.
Really?
Yeah.
Ugh, they're the devil.
They are the devil. You're probably going to finish that before you go home.
The sleeve? No.
Yeah.
I need to put it away after this because I can't be trusted.
I just tried
That's a
it
lot.
off cam.
Yeah.
And I have to say, I'm a fan.
It smells like chickpea salad.
Yeah. Right?
That's good.
I actually like it better than mayo because it's not all oily.
Yeah.
You know, it's lighter. It's light.
I like that.
Yeah.
So, mayo grosses me out.
Yes, I know.
Which is why I did not want to try that on its own.
Well, put a Ritz cracker in there a little bit.
Just the thought of it, I can't.
Just try it.
I can't do it.
Come on. Grow a little. Yeah, that's fine, even if it's that little. It doesn't taste like gross mayo. No.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't have to wish it into the cornfield.
Just go for a little more there. It's very good. I love chickpea salad so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't feel as
heavy.
greasy and
it doesn't feel heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like that would be phenomenal in a wrap. Like a big log of chickpea salad.
Very good.
Yeah. All right. Well, we learned something new. After after over 10,000 meals, I learned something new.
Still learning new things. What website was it from? Eat Plant-Based?
Eatplantbased.com. Check
you.
it out.
Thank you
I'll
for
leave
your
a link
service.
in the I'll leave a link in the info box below.
Yeah, that's delish.
Wonderful.
And so simple.
And that was day 19, my birthday.
Ah, happy birthday!
Oh, thanks.
Oh my goodness.
I'm 59 for the first time.
5'9", Karen Huger. Next year, triple 20.
No, next year 59 2.0.
Well, thank you all so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we hope you give this a try. Let us know if you do.
It's really good.
And until tomorrow,